Ever wonder how some people manage to have that effortlessly glowing skin? While skincare routines and products play a significant role, the secret often lies in what they eat. Your diet can be a powerful tool in achieving radiant skin. This listicle will reveal the top 10 foods that can help you attain that enviable complexion. Read on to discover how you can enhance your skin's appearance from the inside out. 1. Avocado, the beauty fruit. Avocado isn't just for toast, it's a powerhouse for skin health. Packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, avocados help keep your skin moisturized and supple. They are also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects against oxidative damage. Studies have shown that vitamin E works best when combined with vitamin C, making avocados a fantastic complement to other foods in your diet. Tip: add slices of avocado to your salad or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy texture and skin-loving benefits. 2. Salmon, rich in omega-3s. Salmon is a fatty fish that's excellent for your skin, thanks to its high omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s help maintain your skin's hydration and elasticity, giving you that plump, youthful look. These fatty acids also reduce inflammation, which can help with conditions like acne and psoriasis. Tip: aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or even in sushi rolls. 3. Sweet potatoes, a natural glow. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for skin cell production and turnover, resulting in smoother, more youthful skin. Beta-carotene also acts as a natural sunblock, helping to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Tip: roast sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delicious and nutritious side dish. 4. Nuts and seeds, antioxidant powerhouses. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent choices for glowing skin. They are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E and selenium, which combat free radicals and slow down the aging process. These small but mighty foods also provide essential fatty acids that maintain the skin's lipid barrier, keeping it hydrated and resilient. Tip: sprinkle nuts and seeds over your yogurt or oatmeal in the morning to start your day with a skin-boosting breakfast. 5. Bell peppers, vitamin C boost. Bell peppers, particularly the red and yellow varieties, are incredibly high in vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. Collagen helps maintain skin structure and firmness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher vitamin C intake was associated with a lower likelihood of wrinkled skin. Tip: incorporate raw bell peppers into salads or enjoy them as a crunchy snack with hummus. 6. Tomatoes, lycopene for sun protection. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant known for its ability to protect the skin from sun damage. Lycopene helps neutralize free radicals generated by UV exposure, reducing the risk of sunburn and long-term skin damage. Cooked tomatoes, such as in sauces and soups, have even higher lycopene content than raw ones. Tip: add tomatoes to your pasta dishes or enjoy a fresh tomato salad with a drizzle of olive oil. 7. Green tea, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Green tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a fantastic addition to a skincare-focused diet. It contains catechins, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the skin. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who drank green tea daily had better skin elasticity and reduced roughness. Tip: enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon to reap its skin benefits. 8. Dark chocolate, hydration and protection. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which improve skin hydration and boost circulation. Flavonoids also offer some protection against UV radiation. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that regular consumption of dark chocolate resulted in smoother skin and increased resistance to sunburn. Tip: choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content and enjoy it in moderation. 9. Water, the ultimate hydrator. While it's not technically a food, water is essential for maintaining a glowing complexion. Proper hydration ensures that nutrients are delivered to your skin cells and toxins are flushed out. Dehydration can make your skin look dry, flaky, and more prone to wrinkles. Tip: aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day. Enhance the flavor by adding slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint. Conclusion: incorporating these top 10 foods into your diet can do wonders for your skin. Not only will you enjoy their delicious flavors, but you'll also benefit from their powerful nutrients that promote a radiant, healthy complexion. Ready to transform your skin from the inside out? Start by adding these foods to your shopping list today. And for personalized skincare tips and meal plans, consider booking a consultation with a certified nutritionist. Your glowing skin is just a few bites away.